Ever feel like making fresh juice is a total hassle? All that chopping, prepping, and cleaning up? Ugh. I used to dread juicing because it took forever, and honestly, the mess? Not worth it most mornings. Plus, I worried about losing nutrients with regular juicers. But then I found the Breville Juice Fountain Cold. This thing is a total game changer for my kitchen. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. First off, it's got cold spin technology. That means less heat, more vitamins in every glass. So I know my juice is as healthy as it gets. The 3-inch extra wide chute is a lifesaver. No more pre-cutting apples or carrots, just toss them in. It literally takes seconds to juice a whole fruit. The 850-watt motor handles even tough veggies easily. Want to make juice for the whole family? The 70 Oz jug means you can batch juice and store it. Just seal it up and keep it in the fridge for days. No more daily juicing marathons. So convenient. And cleanup? Surprisingly simple. The included cleaning brush makes it quick. There's even a froth separator for smoother juice. Let me show you how easy it is. I grab some apples, carrots, and oranges. No chopping. Just drop them in the chute. Turn it on and watch the juice flow instantly. See how fast and vibrant the juice looks? The pulp goes straight into the container. No mess. And the juice pours directly into my glass. I love that the nozzle prevents drips on my counter. If I want to save some for later, I just seal the jug. The LED display is a nice safety touch too. It lights up if I overload the machine. Super smart. I don't worry about burning out the motor anymore. 2 speed settings give me control for soft or hard produce. Whether it's leafy greens or crunchy apples, it works. Honestly, it's made juicing part of my daily routine. I feel better knowing I'm getting more nutrients, and my family loves having fresh juice ready to go. No more store-bought bottles with added sugar. Just pure, delicious juice whenever we want. If you're a health nut or just busy like me, this juicer seriously makes life easier. Batch juice on Sunday, enjoy all week. Or whip up a fresh glass in seconds before work. It's perfect for home cooks and busy families. Plus, the silver finish looks sleek on my counter. Everything about it feels high quality and sturdy. And it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're tired of complicated juicing routines, or worried about losing nutrients to heat, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold is your answer. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Make juicing fast, easy, and actually enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your mornings? Give the Breville BJE 430 SIL a try. You'll taste the difference. Healthy, fresh juice has never been this simple. Trust me, your body and your family will thank you.